In this video, you'll learn how to complete the American National Standard Test method for measuring the dynamic coefficient of friction of hard surface materials using the BOT-3000E paired with the STEP app. We will review how to perform this standard according to the field test protocol. Once you're on site, determine the areas to be tested based on the test objective. Remember, a site refers to the physical address where you will perform testing, and an area is a contiguous space with hard surface flooring of the same or similar type. Now diagram the site, highlighting the areas to be tested. Remember, you can utilize the STEP app to easily diagram each test area. For more detailed instructions on how to diagram using the STEP app, please watch the How to Draw Testing Diagram video. Next, determine specific DCOF test locations within your test area based on the test objective. Note, test locations should include samples of both high and low traffic, materials of different sizes or textures, and materials commonly exposed to contaminants or other risks. Each test location must include 3 test samples. Keep in mind that the travel distance of your BOT-3000E should be set to 10 inches. Once you've determined where you'll be testing, you must choose your testing conditions. Whether you're testing under clean conditions or under prevailing conditions, reference the A326.3 standard for testing conditions protocol. You're now ready to perform the A326.3 field test procedure. In this video, we will perform a wet test using a surfactant solution of 0.05% SLS water. Press any of the 6 panel switches momentarily to power up your BOT-3000E. Then, press the DCOF button. Using the STEP app, select the test location you would like to test first. Once selected, the area and location information will be sent to your bot. Next, press the A326.3 button and select Start. Use the up and down arrows to select your choices for test type and test condition. Once you've chosen the type and condition, press the Set button. Now press Add to begin sample 1. Using the SLS solution, wet a test path with enough solution so that the sensor will remain within the wetted path throughout the entire test. Note, the side of your bot indicates the approximate location of the sensor for your convenience. Now place your bot on the test path and press the Go button. Your screen will show 4 boxes for each of the dynamic measurements that you'll take at each test sample. Take your first measurement, then turn the bot 180 degrees and redistribute the SLS solution. Then, take the second measurement over the same wetted path. After the second measurement, remove the SLS solution from the floor's surface with a cloth or paper towel. Then, wet a new path with the SLS solution 90 degrees from the previous one. Take the third and fourth measurements along the new path in the same fashion as your first and second. Once you've finished taking all 4 measurements, your bot will show the average of the 4 dynamic measurements for sample 1. Now press the back button, recondition your sensor, and move on to the next sample. Remember, you must choose 3 test samples, each with 4 dynamic measurements for every test location. You can follow the same procedure for samples 1, 2, and 3. Once all 3 test samples have been performed, select Back. Your bot will now show the average measurement of all 3 test samples. At this point, you'll want to select Done in order to create the A326.3 report. Do not move the bot or hit any buttons as the bot creates the report. Once you've generated your report, use the STEP app to retrieve the DCOF results from the bot. If there are multiple test locations in your test area, press the New button on your bot and select Yes to begin testing in your next test location. Repeat this process until you've tested all locations within your test area and all areas within your test site.